Eczema. Eczema is a chronic skin inflammation that can cause itching, redness, dryness, and sometimes small bumps or blisters. It can affect both children and adults, and can be mild or severe over time. Symptoms of eczema: itchy skin, especially at night, red or swollen skin, dry and scaly skin, sometimes small, watery bumps, thickening and darkening of the skin in old areas. What to avoid: taking a bath with very hot water, using shampoos, washes with a lot of soap or chemicals, using lotions with artificial fragrances or perfumes, excessive sun or sweat-inducing activities, vigorously scratching the itchy area, frequent contact with dust, dirt or pet hair. Possible food allergies, avoid after checking with your doctor. xmyhealth.